All right, guys, how's it going? That's pretty much it for this trail. Simple from here on. From here. Check it out, that's the trail I came from over there. That's Mormon Trail. That's National Downhill right there. You see a biker coming down. I've been down that one a couple times. And if you go down that way, to a trail down there, that's the Javelina Trail, I believe. And as you can tell in front of us right here, RL, this Ridgeline Trail. It's not even really a bike trail. I don't see bikers up here much, but... Oh yeah, and also I upgraded to an XT shifter. So you can tell right here. I got the double down and 4 up. It's a game changer. I didn't think it was gonna make that big of a difference, but having the double down makes my shifting half, because I always go down. I never just go down one gear at a time, really. I usually multi-gear it, so you usually hear me go. But now I can just go. And that's 4 gears versus 1, 2, 3, 4, you know? So yeah. Straight line it in. Supposed to go this way. That was hard braking right there. And that's it. Back down to the car. Probably like a 5 mile ride. A lot of uphill though.